everybody, my name is Scott. But for today, we're going to be talking about which bag search you use. Well, did you ever go grocery shopping, right? And when you go to the counter, they ask you a question that what kind of bag do you use? Well, if you see the images of plastic bags strewn across the ocean, it might seem like obvious that plastic bag is bad for the environment. Surely a paper bag or cloth tote would be the better option. Is that really true? Each of these three materials has a unique environmental impact that's determined by its carbon footprint, its potential to be reused, and its degradability. So, to get the full story on these grocery bags, we need to look at how they're made. So, let's start with plastic first. Well, the typical thin, flimsy plastic bag is made of high density polyethylene and is commonly known as HDPE. Producing this material requires extracting petroleum from the ground and applying extreme heat. The resulting polymer resins is then transported alongside additional ingredients. And so, these plastic bags here is powered. Machines melt the materials down and spin them into sheets of plastic and then which are folded into bags. And by the time the bag reaches another company so that it could be sold out and it could be used, then the plastic bag will it could contribute for about 1.6 kilograms of carbon dioxide, which is the same as the amount of cardboard a car produces when it's driving a little over 6 kilometers. But the alternative actually possesses a much larger carbon footprint. Well, let's think about paper bag. Paper bag is made from wood pulp, and when you account for the carbon cost of removing trees from the ecosystem, a single paper bag can be responsible for about 5.5 kilograms of carbon dioxide. Meanwhile, growing cotton is an extremely energy and water intensive process, and the production of a single cotton tote emits an estimated of 272 kilograms of carbon dioxide. We will compare carbon footprint plastic bags are the clear winner. But environmental impact is also determined by how the bag is used. Reusing or recycling these bags significantly offsets the environmental tolls. Well, to quantify that offset, we can divide the bag into different numbers of time it's reused. For example, if a typical paper bag is reused 3 times, it has a lower net impact than a single-use plastic bag. The carbon footprint of a cotton tote can similarly be lowered if it's reused 131 times. Well, of these three options, totes are most likely to be reused, and it's clear evidence. But after all, let's think about paper bags. Paper bags are quickly discarded due to the tendency to tear, and this use also flashes in HBT bags as well. Their widespread ability. Fortunately, researchers estimate that 40 of HDE bags and are used at least once for throwing out waste. Then these bags also offsets their carbon footprint, but it's not universally possible for each material. While many countries now consider about what is the best plastic bags, what is the best bags for people to go grocery shopping. Well, for me in this situation, after all, I think that is all up to you. If you want, um, if you want, then probably plastic be a really great one. After all, because even when so, plastic can actually help us to reduce our carbon footprint. Maybe it could just be used for only one time, but it should have been better for it should have been better than cotton clothes and paper bags. But so it's all up to you and your needs too. So I hope that this video really does help you out. Thank you for listening and goodbye.